When running downspouts on a new construction home, always make sure to flag where the pipe is so that the sprinkler company doesn't come through and cut your pipe. They won't even know it, and you'll find out months later. Now, you also want to take and run it far enough to where there's enough fall to where the pipe empties out, so it's not holding water. When you go under the walkways, it's really, really important when you go under the walkways. One of the mistakes people make, they'll go underneath the walkway and up and then put it here. You create a belly, and that's where all the debris is going to collect, and then you're going to end up with a plugged pipe. Water will lay under there, and it'll break your sidewalk come winter as well. So instead, run it and keep it down until you get low enough in the grade to where that pipe empties out. Those are some helpful tips to running downspouts on a new construction home so that you don't have any problems. For downspouts, French drains, sump pump lines, give us a call.